Hello everyone, I'm Steve Burnett with Scott Murdock Trailer Sales. Wanted to take a moment to show you a really neat offering from Trails West Trailers. This is the Royale side-by-side with tack room. This particular trailer has a straight load configuration, really set up for warm bloods. It's a full 7 feet 6 inches tall, and by doing that side-by-side setup, we end up with a longer stall and a wider stall for the big horses. This particular setup is going to have a nice walk-in tack room. It features doors on both sides of the tack room so that you can access it from either side. Really easy to get in and out of. We're going to have some really nice setup with saddles and blanket bars underneath the mangers. We're going to have plenty of bridle hooks with a carpeted section to keep those bridle hooks from banging around. Spare tire. We can actually outfit this with a 12-volt accessory battery so you can run your lights without being hooked to your tow vehicle. Also got a 25-gallon water tank, plenty of brush trays, brush bags, so just a lot of good space there. This particular trailer is going to have an all-aluminum exterior, all-aluminum fenders, running boards, exterior skin, aluminum roof, and then it goes through a full paint system where they give you an automotive-grade paint finish. You can see here on the back we're going to have a fold-down ramp with Dutch doors above. Both of those doors will fold open and latch to the sides. Plenty of ventilation with windows on the sides, drop-down windows at the head side of the horse, and then roof vents per horse. This can all be taken out, your center divider, center post, padded for those horses, butt bars, and then we're also going to have a jail bar style divider to kind of help with the airflow for the horses. You can see we're going to have mangers, so you've got plenty of area to feed those horses. With the drop downs, you have access to the horse's head. And then, really neat feature on this trailer, we're going to have a walk-through, so as you come in and you lead your horse and tie him up, you can walk right through into the tack room, so you have a place to get out of the way of the horses as they load up. So this trailer is going to have exterior load lights over the back and over the sides. We've got diamond plate rock guards across the front. For more information on this particular trailer, give us a call at 800-688-8757 and visit our website at murdocktrailers.com.